Hi everyone, welcome to our video. If you are new to our channel, my name is Rizvana. I'm an artist. In today's video, we are going to learn how to draw loose poppy flower. Here I am mixing crimson red with a little bit of black and orange that I have already in my palette. After mixing the color, just load your brush with generous amount of color and put some dots in the places where you want your flower should be. After that, dip your brush in plain water and spread the color in the shape of flowers like this. Do it for all the dots before it gets dry. And here I am taking a little bit of black color and dot in the base of the flower like this. The black color will spread a little bit on its own and it's look amazing. After that, draw the stem and leaves for the flowers. I am using sap green and bit of black for the leaves and stem. And finally, sprinkle some colors. I just noticed that I forgot to paint one flower's stem. Now I am drawing that one and giving some leaves, and that's it. See you on another video. Thanks for watching.